What are you gonna cook? You think he's hungry? Yeah, you think you should make him something to eat? Yep, it's grumbling. Water cups? Is that where you keep your water?
Where's water?
You have to pretend that you have some in there. What are you gonna make him? Bacon and eggs?
Yeah.
So how are you gonna put the eggs in there? What do you have to do first?
Where's that thing?
What are you looking
That
for?
one's on here.
That thing? The lid? You're gonna put it on the plate?
And he is thirsty.
He's thirsty now.
Yeah.
What are you gonna give him to drink?
Maybe water. Maybe coffee.
I think he must be getting thirsty. Thank you.
Eat it.
Okay.